time for the next one, where we just put the same thing we did last time. Adjust the query from time-based to distance-based.
Distance-based.
So simple. This is why having a standardized data set is just a data type, data format.
What are you talking about? Oh, I see. Yes. Because you can just change the name.
Yeah, just change the name. Yeah. I'm using the wrong word there because I'm trying to type out as I think and say stuff, and it's not working.
Distance.
Distance. Distance. Distance. I was looking at that for a while going, how do I fix this? By time, df, player path by distance, Now, time accumulative doesn't exist inside of this one. It is something else. Distance
we can have a look in
accumulative. So we can have a look where?
In the data set.
In the data set.
I think you just scroll up. Or you can just go, you can make another one.
SQL semester from JSON data where event type is equal to distance based. I can scroll up. Where will scroll up? Did we have it up here? I thought we got rid of it.
No.
We didn't get rid of it. Clean up. Go on. Should have given time for this one to run. We've already done the filter for distance based, so we look at the attributes and we will find in
distance
here
threshold,
distance threshold and accumulative. Let's take accumulative, get rid of time accumulative, put distance accumulative in the group by, and I don't know that we need the threshold. We were more just looking and capturing that because we could.
Yeah.
And I think that should be all we need for this one.
Should we look at it or what?
We should look at it just to be safe. Otherwise, we'll have the same thing happen like we did for putting our game on EC2 servers.
Yes.
Remember when it didn't work? That was so funny. This one's quite interesting. The distance accumulative is 5 units, and we have seen this player in the exact same position 7 times after moving that far. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Why?
Well, because it's in the same position. After moving 25.5 units, this player, which is me, was at the same position 6 times. Yeah, that's cool.
I'm so confused. Why?
How are you confused?
Why would they be in the same position?
Let's play the game and find out.
Do they just not move?
No, it's not they don't move, it's that they've been there 6 times. If we look at the
So we went
time,
back and forward over the same place.
Well, look how I play. I click here. I click there. Click over there.
Oh, so it could be in a different session.
Yeah, it could be in a different session.
Oh, okay. But we clicked in the same, it's that same, area.
This isn't click, this is distance based. Where was the player after moving 5 units?
Oh,
hey,
so every time they played through that level, they've gone through the same way.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
In this case, me. 6 times.
Pretty consistent.
Pretty consistent. I like clicking in the same spot. Get rid of that. Get rid of the display. May as well just comment it because I'm probably going to use it again. And run it. Make sure it is successful. It is successful. Double check over inside of my SQL. Trying to make it exciting. And I am succeeding. No, I'm not because we've got DF player path. Let's get rid of DF and run that again, and it'll go, no troubles at all, done. Now, you go, wow, it's running so fast. That's because we've got very little data. Now we've got a problem. I got 2... Did I click that? There we go. I got DF by distance.
That's not that bad.
Yeah.
You can just delete it.
You can delete it. Let's drop it. Drop table.
Oh, I would have just right-clicked on it.
Really?
Yeah.
You're a code monkey, man.
Yeah, well, sometimes it's easy to right-click.
It feels fun pressing Control Enter, drop it. It's gone. Deleted. Shift delete. Ain't no recycle bin for me.
Alright.
It's fun. When you do a create table, it doesn't do an update inside of MySQL. But it doesn't do the visual update inside of Workbench. But when you do a drop, it instantly tells you it's gone.
That's weird.
Yeah. Weird bugs. Well, not bugs, just weird ways of doing things. So that's it for this video. In the next one, we are going to look at how we get the data for player spotted by enemy.
Alright, sweet. See ya.